ground. Goalie goes out of the ground.
Immense.
What a beauty. He's on absolute fire.
Enthralling.
The air, Srishan takes it. India win.
Emotion.
This is the moment.
Next level.
T20. It's a game that's constantly moving and developing. Reinvention, innovation, revolution. Never standing still. New shots, new deliveries. New highs, new lows. New icons, new superstars. And now, a striking new look for the ICC T20 World Cup, the pinnacle of T20 cricket. Created from the three things that define international T20: bat, ball, and energy. In T20, a swing of the bat can change everything. Each ball is an event, everyone different, pulsating with drama. The energy is electric. The volume rises, hearts race.
Remember the name.
Every moment is like a strike of lightning. In a flash, anything can happen. You can't take your eyes off of it.
What a catch.
Or maybe you can. An identity inspired by the game. And of course, by our hosts. A brave and bold new style for world cricket's most dynamic and entertaining competition. The ICC T20 World Cup.
इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच मैं जब भी देखता था तो हमेशा एक मीडिया की तरफ से एक और भी हाइप बन जाती है और देखने में भी अच्छा लगता है जब आप खेलते भी है कि अपने मुल्क को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं तो उसकी अलग फीलिंग होती है.
The vibe around the game is quite high and quite emotional as well. We know that, but for us as players, it's important that we put our right foot forward and think about how we want to win this game and what are the things that we need to do as individuals to make the mark on that particular day.
देखिए बिल्कुल इंडिया और पाकिस्तान का मैच बिग मैच होता है. पूरी दुनिया को पता है कि वो एक ऐसा मैच है कि सारी दुनिया की नज़रिए होती हैं उसमें.
That match is always special and the pressure, all the emotion comes out.
स्पोर्ट्स एक ऐसी चीज़ है वैसे भी ये दोनों मुल्कों को इकट्ठा रखती है तो उसकी वजह से मुझे लगता है कि नेल बाइटर हो तो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा.
It's not like a normal game because we hardly play against Pakistan. So playing one game in a year, so it gives a lot of pressure as well. And obviously, when you play against Pakistan, you want to do really well and gives you a lot of motivation.
Now that we've heard from the players, what are some of the tactical nuances that could prove to be the differentiating factor in this day game? Three-time World Cup winner and ICC Hall of Famer Ricky Ponting weighs in.
Oh, I'm really excited by it. It's one of the great sporting clashes in the world. With these rivalries, anything can happen. I mean, you look at the records of both teams over the last 12 months. India have got a very good record. I think since the end of the last T20 World Cup, India have played 28 games, won 19, and Pakistan, on the other hand, haven't been as good actually over the last 12 months. So they've got a bit of a point to prove. Whoever bats the best, I think, will win because there's so much in it for the fast bowlers that the team that can get through the new ball, bat really well, leave wickets in hand and then try and score runs late in the innings will probably be the team that wins.
While the bowlers are likely...
Very important player for us in all forms. Obviously, whatever he went through, it was very tough on him, his family. I'm very happy that he's recovered well. Again, like I said, very important player for us. Happy to see him back.
He's totally changed and I think he's at his best now.
Very happy to see him and I really wish him all the very best. And I really want him to perform like a champion.
Come Sunday, two bowlers that Rishabh Pant will likely have to deal with are Imad Wasim and Mohammad Amer, who are returning to international cricket after a bit of a break. So what is their biggest USP? In case you're wondering, we've got you covered.
नहीं देखो मोहम्मद आमिर और वो इमाद वसीम दोनों बहुत सीनियर प्लेयर है और बहुत एक्सपीरियंस रखते हैं तो इनपुट लाजमी होता है. आप सीनियर प्लेयर वो इनपुट लाजमी देता है अपनी टीम को. तो और इन कंडीशन में इमाद को बड़ा वो है, इनका तजुर्बा भी है, यहाँ पे खेला भी है, वेस्ट इंडीज़ में भी खेला है, तो लाजमी बात है कि इनको बड़ा हमारी टीम को बड़ा फ़ायदा होगा।